Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we take a look at the gold market. Our Great British Pound analysis that we have prepared in weekly report now stands on the way. So indeed the cable has dropped recently, and now we could take a look again in the gold market. In the gold market, actually, we are watching for possible retracement just because of the overextended market, not only on the daily but on the weekly chart as well. So, and then actually, in the short-term perspective, the weekly overbought is a major thing of our analysis, because this is a really important driving factor for the market, and usually, at least maybe not usually, but very often, the overbought on the weekly leads market to the oversold on the daily. This is just the shaking boat. So when you shake boat in one side too much, it turns to the other side with the same degree, and the same story with the overbought and oversold condition on the market. And but to trigger the downward action, since we have the overbought on the weekly market, on the daily chart probably should form something valuable. I mean, some clear extended bearish pattern should be formed. So initially we thought that this could be hand and shoulders. Currently we have this spike up significant, but currently we need to deny our idea of the hand shoulders, because take a look, market shows the minor retracement turns up again. Also keep in mind that MACD line comes close to the price action, and today, tomorrow we could get, for example, the grabber. In this case, market should take it out of this top. And in current circumstances, guys, I more suggest that it could be three drive pattern, actually, something of that sort. Mostly because of the reaction on the market at this area. So this is 618 support of this action. And speaking on the hand and shoulder, so if we would suggest that the hand shoulder should appear, this stop in the middle of the head looks not quite reasonable in this fast upward action. If the hand shoulders is forming here, it should be straight downward action right to the head. And this makes me think that probably something different could be formed. And the only pattern that we could suggest right now that also could be bearish is a three drive. Besides, take a look at the extensions. So if we would suggest that this is first drive, second drive stands right at 127 of the first. Spot line also has been formed. We talked about it last week. And take a look. The third potential drive will stand at the crossing of the 127 from the second drive and 1618 from the first. That is perfect combination that's typical for the three drive pattern, and that make me think that indeed this pattern could be formed here before the major pullback could start. On the hourly chart, we have minor bearish patterns are forming, and probably all of these targets will be traded by the market, but currently I'm not count on any deep retracement or real bearish continuation. So take a look here. We have the minor ABCD pattern. Here's agreement resistance 1348, minor retracement. Since upward action here was relatively strong, I would suggest the XLP also will be hit at 1353. Also minor retracement here could be, but this is very short-term patterns, suitable only for those who trade on the 15-minute chart probably. And I think that currently we should focus, since we are mostly watching on daily, on the follow time frame chart, I think that we could focus on this pattern. I'm not sure also that it's a good idea for taking the short position right at the top, because currently this market looks very strong. And for us, the major value is retracement itself. So we're looking for significant pullback just to take the long position in the gold market rather than trade it short. But still, if you would like to, you could consider this pattern as well, because at least at this point you could place relatively tight stop, since market weekly overbought. This completed three drive and placing stop slightly above the third drive top This could be a very good risk-reward ratio. That's what we'll be watching for in the nearest future on the gold market. So 2 points. First one is completion of the free drive. Also, we keep watching for grabber. If grabber will be formed, it just increase the chance on the third drive here. And we are watching for mostly retracement to the support to get the proper entry level for taking the long position. Second issue stands on the fallout time frame chart. If you would like to, you could consider this bearish scenario as well and trying to trade it short, because itself pattern looks very attractive.